Good morning, all of you. Today's our lecture is a commercial operating system. In our previous class, already we had seen operating systems and their responsibilities. Okay. In our today's class, again let me see some introduction about mobile operating systems. Okay. A mobile operating system is the software platform on top of which other programs can run on mobile devices. The operating system is one and only is responsible for determining the functions and features available on your device. Okay. Without operating systems, you cannot do anything in our mobile. Okay. So only again and again I intimate the mobile operating system is a very most important thing in our situations. Okay. The mobile operating system will also determine which third-party application, that is the third-party application means mobile apps, can be used on your device. Okay. Without mobile OS, we cannot install. We cannot interface. Then and also some resource allocation. They are not possible. Okay. Let me see some popular mobile operating systems are. Here I listed some mobile operating systems here. Windows Mobile, first one is. The second one is Palm OS. Third one is Symbian operating system. Fourth one is iOS. Fifth one is Android. Last one is BlackBerry operating systems. Okay, these are all operating systems that we see in upcoming session. The first one is Windows Mobile. The Windows Mobile is Microsoft mobile operating systems. Everyone know about Windows operating systems. Nowadays, all desktops operating systems are Windows maximum. And also, we have another operating system also we are using. Okay, then in this Windows mobile operating system, usually in smartphones and mobile devices with or without touchscreens. The mobile operating system is based on Windows CE. CE is consumer electronics. That is the extension of CE. The mobile OS is based on Windows CE. All of you are familiar with the Windows operating system because it is used in computers all over the world. Okay. Here, operating system in this Windows operating system is developed by Microsoft. Everyone know this each and every that is my Windows operating system is developed by Microsoft. It uses the hybrid kernel. Okay. Here I mentioned what is meant by kernel. First thing, the kernel is a core part of Linux. Okay, it is responsible for all major activities of this operating system. Okay, kernel is a major responsible for all activities. Okay, here optimized kernel runs on 1 MB of memory. Here I listed some of the platforms of Windows mobile operating system, such that Auto PC, Pocket PC 2000, Pocket PC 2002, Windows Mobile 2003, and then 2003 SE, Windows Mobile 5, Windows Mobile 6, Windows Mobile 7, June, and now we are using Windows Phone 10. I listed some family of Windows Mobile here. We have three families. The first one is Windows Mobile Standard. It is used in smartphones. The second one is Windows Mobile Professional. It is also used in smartphones. The third one is Windows Classic. It's mainly designed for PDA, not for mobile phones. Okay, PDA means Personal Digital Assistance. The Pocket PC 2000 is only renamed as Windows Classic with touchscreen based user interface. Okay. Next, some features of Windows Mobile OS. The graphics window event manager component handle all input and output activities. The second feature is it provides virtual memory management and also provide a high security through cryptographic library. Next, application development is similar to Windows 32 environment. Okay. The next, the second OS operating system is Palm operating system. The Palm operating system is developed by Palm Inc. in 1996 especially. This is especially designed for PDA. Already we known about PDA, Personal Digital Assistance. In this Palm OS was designed to work on touchscreen GUI. Some years later, it was upgraded and was able to support smartphones. Here are listed some of the features. It supported on monochrome LCD panels with handwriting recognition. And another one features is it is a simple single tasking operating system. It has an elementary memory management system. It supports sound playback and recording capabilities. And also it uses the proprietary format to store calendar, address, task and note entities. Here, the different interfaces supported include USB, infrared, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. Finally, these are all we discussed handwriting recognition input system called Crafty 2. Okay, and also he has supported a simple security model such that device can be locked by password or the three application records can be made private. Okay, this is the TCP/IP network access. Already we have discussed serial port, USB, infrared, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection, and also we have expansion memory card support. Then this is the images of Palm operating system, that is a PDA systems. Okay, and also define the standard data format for custom information management applications to store calendar, address, task, note entities accessible by third-party applications. These are some features of Palm operating system. Next, Symbian operating system. A Symbian operating system is developed by Nokia, Samsung, Ericsson, Panasonic. Here, in 2008, it was acquired fully by Nokia. After the launch of Android by Google, the Symbian became open source under Eclipse public license. In 2011, Nokia moves from Symbian to Windows. The Symbian is a mobile operating system. Is make that real-time multitasking preemptive 32-bit operating system runs on ARM processors. Okay. Here ARM means Advanced RISC Machines. RISC means RISC, RISC, a reduced instruction set computer. That is called as Advanced RISC machines. That is called as ARM processor. It is a microkernel based. Some of the flavors of Symbian is Series 60 UIQ interface. These are all some again let me see some features of Symbian operating system. It supports the communication protocols like TCP, UDP, PPP, post office protocol, that is BGP, and then DNS, FTP, WAP, and also it supports the Bluetooth, infrared, USB connectivity. It also acts as a low power mode CPU switch available, and also low on power and memory requirement application space. Okay, and then event based application run by active objects, and finally Eclipse plugin is available for development. These are all Symbian features. Next, let me see iOS. In this iOS operating system, especially designed for iPhones, Apple is developed iOS for iPhone, a direct replacement of iPad. And also it is a derivative of Mac operating system. It is a property and maintained by Apple. Okay, some market sorts. These are all some special features available in iPhone: clusters, swipe, tap, pinch, reverse spins, and also it can give a accelerometer for recognize the shake and change the music. Display mode switch portrait to landscape and vice versa. The next one is Android operating system. This is a developed by Google operating system. Google operating system, open source. Some of the features are a phone-based keyboard or touchscreen for input. Next, has built-in web browser that renders the web page free. Easy way to develop third-party application. Third-party application means mobile app. Android SDK is also having Android software development kit and Eclipse. Provide RDBMS SQLite for data storage. Pre-installed applications such as Gmail, Maps, Voices. These are all some pre-installed applications in Android. I have listed here some Android operating system layers, application layers, and then application framework, library, and runtime kernel. Here, application layer is it consists of it included in web browser, email client, SMS manager, maps. These are all some other applications. These applications written in J2ME, Java 2 Micro Edition. Okay. Next, application framework. This is the framework. This is some framework to developing an application. Okay. It provides the set of services that can be used by developers. Some services are managers. This is for even developing. The second one is a content provider for accessing the data. This is done by application framework. Next, libraries and runtime. Library means these are multiple languages including C and C++ called through Java interfaces. It includes surface managers for 2D and 3D graphics, media codec like a MP4, MP3, and SQL database, that is for accessing database accessing SQLite. It includes a web browser engine called WebKit. Next, runtime. Runtime means it consists of core libraries and Dalvik virtual machine. Dalvik virtual machine convert the Java code into native ARM code. Already discussed ARM means advanced RISC machines. Each application run on own process with own instance of Dalvik virtual machines. Next, kernel. Kernel, it is based on Linux kernel. Here excluded native X Windows of GM. This Android implements its own device driver, memory management, process management, networking functionalities. Runs the application concurrently. Here, once again, I repeat the functions of a kernel. It is a core part of Linux. It is responsible for all major activities of this operating system. Okay. Next, BlackBerry operating system. The last operating system is BlackBerry operating system. The BlackBerry operating system is the property of RIM, Research in Motion, and was first released in 1999. RIM, Research in Motion, has developed this operating system for this BlackBerry line of smartphones. BlackBerry is much different from other operating systems. It has a very good email system at user level. It supports instant mailing while maintaining high level of security. Here listed some BlackBerry operating systems are BlackBerry Bold, BlackBerry Curve, BlackBerry Touch, and finally BlackBerry 8520. These are all some BlackBerry operating systems. Thank you.